Hello friends, I am Dr. Ajay Kothari. Today we have a very special guest with us and her name is Dr. Pushpa Talwar. She has come all the way from Bhopal for her spine treatment. So she is a gynecologist by profession and she had a condition called lumbar canal stenosis. Many years ago, she already had one surgery on her spine done, which was fine. But again, she developed severe pain in the leg and she started developing weakness. One peculiar part is her age is 78, and even at this age, she is full of life, and because of this pain in the right leg and weakness in the right leg, whenever she used to walk, her leg used to fall off. उनका पैर एक साइड में टर्न हो जाता था और उसकी वजह से उनका चलना फिरना काफी कम हो गया था. Already one surgery done at the age of 78. Can this be done again? That was the biggest question. So ये हमारे पास एक महीने पहले आई थी and we did her OARM navigated minimally invasive spine surgery, and today she has come after 1 month for follow up and she is doing great. So you can see these are her images and this was the area. So this was the previous surgery done at L5 and S1 here, and now she had developed a stenosis and listhesis at this particular level at L4-5, और especially the right foramen was completely pinched here. और अगर हम यहाँ पे actual cuts देखेंगे उनका, so this was the previously done surgery here on the left side. और अभी उनका कंप्रेशन राइट साइड पे था. सो वी हैड टू डू द सर्जरी एट द सेम लेवल वेयर द प्रीवियस सर्जरी वाज डन. सो इफ यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज द स्टेनोसिस. यहाँ पे उनका राइट L5 रूट दब रहा था जिसके कारण उनको सीवियर पेन था. So what we did for her was this MIS TLIF. You can see we did a minimally invasive fixation and we took out that weak disc and supported it with a new cage here, and now she is walking very fine. उनका जो पैर में तकलीफ था वो भी काफी हद तक इम्प्रूव हो गया है and numbness is also gradually coming down. So पुष्पा जी, आप क्या कहेंगे कि कैसे था पहले तकलीफ और अभी कैसे लग रहा है? सब बढ़िया.
मैं 2 महीने पहले मेरे पैर में एकदम से राइट पैर में काफ़ी वीकनेस डेवलप हुआ और मेरा पैर बिल्कुल अनस्टेबल था. ऐसे लगता था मैं गिर जाऊंगी. तो उसके बाद में मैंने डॉक्टर साहब को कंसल्ट किया. इन्होंने कहा कि आप जल्दी आ जाइए ताकि आपकी सर्जरी हो सके. पहले मैं 3 महीने पहले इनको दिखा के गई थी, तो फिर इन्होंने मेरी सर्जरी की. उसके बाद में अभी मेरा पैर ठीक है. थोड़ी सी नमनेस है, पर वॉकिंग आई कैन वॉक प्रॉपरली, आई कैन सिट प्रॉपरली एंड आई एम फाइन.
Happy overall?
I am very happy and I am obliged.
Nice. Would you like to speak anything?
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, doctor. We are really grateful that you operated her, because I remember when we came first time, mummy was limping. But the best part is that she's not limping anymore. She can walk on confidently, and we are happy to see her like this.
So nice. So, friends, there are 2 questions to be answered here. Can spine surgery be done second time again? क्या ऑपरेशन ऑलरेडी एक बार हो चुका है उसी लेवल पे आप दोबारा कर सकते हो? आंसर इज यस. आई थिंक वी लिव इन अ मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड टुडे वेयर इन ऑल द रोबोटिक टेक्नोलॉजी, OARM, navigation, neuro monitoring is available, and the experience of the surgeon also counts, so that is one important part. And the second challenge was she is nearing 80. So at the age of 80, bones are weak, muscles are weak, proteins are low, hemoglobin is low. Healing is always a challenge, but we always believe in ERAS protocol, wherein we optimize the patient beforehand. We make sure that all the parameters are very well in place. We use minimally invasive technology. हम open surgeries नहीं करते senior citizens में क्योंकि उनका healing potential कम होता है और they are more prone for infection. Infection होने के ज़्यादा chances होते हैं. So senior citizens में हम minimally invasive surgery prefer करते हैं. So that incision छोटा होता है, blood loss काफ़ी कम होता है and recovery is very fast. So I am very happy that Mrs. Talwar, she came all the way from Bhopal for surgery here and she is going back, with complete pain relief and she is walking very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
I am really obliged.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Take
To
care.
all our team,